Hello kids, today we're going to be doing a little bit more factoring so that we can find the zeros of polynomials. And the prior knowledge is knowing your cubes, so like 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, etc. So we have the sum of cubes and the difference of cubes. Basically they're the same formula, the only thing that changes is the sign. So if you have an addition, a sum, right? Then the way you factor a sum of cubes, so this is your factored form right here, factored form. So you would factor it as a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And if you have a subtraction, then you just switch these two signs. But it's basically the same formula. So we're going to factor some examples here using the sum and the difference of cubes. So the first thing that you have to do is you have x to the third power, so that's like having a to the third power, or x cubed, a cubed. But then 27, you need a little 3 right here. So how do you make 27 with a little 3? Well, then you come over here and you look at 27. Oh, 27 is the same thing as 3 cubed. So you're going to replace that. So you're going to have x cubed plus 3 cubed. Okay? So then that means that your x is your a and your 3 is your b. And then you're just going to replace them right there. So that's going to be x plus 3 times x squared minus x times 3 plus 3 squared. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to clean this up right here. So then that's going to be x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. So this is your final form of factoring. Okay, so now we're going to do example 2, y cubed minus 8. So again, 8, you have to have a little cube right there. So we go look over here at 8. Oh, 8 is 2 cubed. So we use that one. So we're going to have y cubed minus 2 cubed. So now this is your a, the y, and your 2 is your b. You do not worry about the minus sign. It's already included in the formula. So all you got to do is plug in the y in for a and the 2 in for the b. So you're going to have y minus 2 times y squared plus, so now that changes to a plus, and it's y times 2 plus 2 squared. Okay, so now we're going to clean this up. So that's going to be y minus 2, y squared plus 2y plus 4. That's your factored form. Okay, so now we have factor 27x cubed plus 64y cubed. Well, 27 has to have a cube right here. How is that going to happen? Well, we know that 27 is 3 cubed. So then this is 3 cubed x cubed. And then 64 is 4 cubed. So we're going to use 4 cubed over here plus 4 cubed y cubed. And then since both of these are cubes now, we can say that 3x cubed plus 4y cubed. So all I did was put that 3 over here because you distribute to both of these if you wanted to make it look like that again. Okay, so now all of this is your a and all of this is your b. And you're going to put it into the formula up here. This formula right here, the factored form formula. So you're going to do 3x plus 4y. No more cubes. Do you see a cube right there in a cube? No, no more cubes. Okay. Then it's the whole thing, 3x squared. Minus, there's a minus sign right there. And then it's a times b. So then that's going to be 3x times 4y. Okay. Plus b squared, so 4y squared. Then we're going to clean this up right here. This never gets cleaned up. It's just 3x plus 4y in this case. And then this is going to be 3x squared is 9x squared. You have to square both of them. This goes to both of them. So 3 squared is 9 and x squared is x squared. Minus 12xy plus 4y squared is 16y squared. And so that's your cleaned up factored form right there. Okay, and then the last one right here. Okay, so that's that one. The last one right here is 125 x cubed minus 27. If you look up there, 125 is 5 cubed, x cubed minus 3 cubed. So then this is going to be 5x cubed. So you put these two together into a parentheses, minus 3 cubed. So all of this is your a. You're going to replace 5x with a. I mean a with 5x. And then your 3 is your b. Not the negative 3, it's just 3. Just this one right there. You're going to replace it with the difference of squares because it's a minus. So that's going to be 5x minus 3. No more cubes. Okay, so down here, there's no more cubes. Okay. So then that's going to be a squared, so 5x, the whole thing is squared, plus a times b, 5x times 3, plus b squared, 3 squared. Okay, so that's the formula right there. Oops. Okay. So now we're going to have 5x minus 3. 5x squared is 25x squared. Plus 5x times 3 is 15x plus 9. And that's how you do the sum and difference of cubes. That's how you factor these. Okay, go ahead and go to the next video.